So right now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get as much of the wood putty out of the ground. If you look here, you'll see we're trying to pull the wood putty as much out as possible. See, it looks a lot better now. Now she ran over it with the red, so we can get that wood putty out. So we have to fill in the holes. Now we're trying to get the wood putty out of the wood. It looks better now. Try to get that wood putty out. It's better now, right? It looks better now. Now you're trying to get the wood putty out. What about over here? Yeah, it's okay. You can mess up the paint. This is okay. Once we get that wood putty out, you know? So you want to make sure you get that out. You're not going to get all of it out, but at least it'll look more natural in the floors if it's better sanded. Because right now it looks kind of blocky. So we want to get it out, get those cracks out, stuff like that.